In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma slides. Whether you're a beginner diving into the world of Figma, or just curious about how to make the most of its slide feature, this tutorial will guide you through each step. So grab your computer and let's get started on this exciting journey. First, open up your web browser and head over to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that's widely used by designers across the globe. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to create an account. However, if you've already signed up, simply log in by clicking on the login button at the top right of the homepage. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Figma dashboard, a space brimming with possibilities. Upon reaching the Figma homepage, you'll see a variety of options and projects you've worked on. Now you'll want to locate the Create button. This is your gateway to starting something new. Clicking on Create will present you with several design options, but for today's purpose, we'll focus on the Slide option. This allows you to craft beautiful presentations directly within Figma, which is great for design-driven presentations and sharing ideas visually. After selecting Slide, next comes the fun part, choosing a template. Figma provides a range of professionally designed templates to help get your creative juices flowing. These templates are excellent starting points as they offer different styles and formats, making the process both quicker and easier. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist look or something more detailed and vibrant, there's likely a template that fits your needs. Simply scroll through the options and click on the one you feel best suits your project. Once you've picked a template, it's time to personalize it. Templates act as a guideline, but you have full creative liberty to modify any element. Add your content, change font styles, adjust colors, and tweak the layout to make it uniquely yours. Remember to make your presentation visually engaging but not overwhelming. Focus on clarity and brevity, ensuring that your main points stand out. Throughout this process, take advantage of Figma's collaborative features. If you're working with a team, share your slides and gather feedback directly within the platform. This can significantly enhance the quality of your presentation as you incorporate diverse viewpoints and uncover potential improvements. And that's it, you've just created a presentation using Figma slides from scratch. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you explore and experiment within Figma, the more creative and efficient you'll become in creating stunning presentations. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy designing.